Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are looking at the next item on the menu, which is the images. And I think um throughout this journey in the beginning we talk a lot about images. The images help you to execute. I mean it's basically an execution environment where you have your packages pre-installed, where you can use it to run Ansible playbooks so that you run I mean playbooks, or let's say you run projects based on certain requirements. So without wasting much time, we are going to access our images. And of course, we're going to see some of the images that we built or pulled. So we have Ansible Runner, which we pulled. We have Ansible Build AE, which we did. And as you are aware, if you've been following me throughout this journey, you get to understand that we built this image, push it to query.io, and then we pull it from there. So without wasting much time, you can just as well access it. So when I pressed on one, so as you can see, it has it's labeled, right? It's numbered. So we have 0 and 1. So it's based on indexing. So I'll just pick on one, the one that we designed. So we can have general information, operating system packages, you have Ansible version and collections. So for example, we can try for Ansible version and collections. I've not been so lucky with this. I don't know why. Mostly when I check it's the code, the Ansible Navigator breaks. So let me just try and see if it'll work around this time. I hope it does. Let's wait for some time. It will surely come through. Now, as you can see, it normally gives me this error. I don't know why. I think I'll have to make a report on it, but then basically that's what it does. So let's check on the first one and see if we get something meaningful. So the same thing too. Let's see if we can get some details from the image. Okay, so nothing solid. So I'll do a work around this, and then if anything, I'll just um record a new video on this. But basically, the image menu allows you to see the images that you have on Ansible Navigator. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video.